Most people come to this place to relax, but today I came here for a completely different reason. I'm going to see how much garbage I can remove from this inlet in just one morning. Now right away you can see how much filth is here. This whole coastline is covered with garbage, and what I'm doing today is I'm coming out here and I'm gonna attempt to clean as much as I can. See how many bags I can fill up with garbage today. All right, so we're using black garbage bags for trash and clear for recyclables. Today we're gonna use that's right, we're gonna go to town. Let's clean up this beach. Good morning. If you're new here, my name is George, and on this channel, I document my journey pushing myself physically and mentally as I train for a marathon. I am on a path today, a path that we all walk on, run on, bike on, and it's adjacent to the ocean. And right through this path, I'm gonna show you how close this path is to the ocean. But today's challenge isn't about miles. It's about doing something for the place we all enjoy. This inlet connects directly to the ocean. Anything that ends up here eventually ends up out there. All right, first things first, this gotta go. This is garbage. I'm gonna switch it up. I'm going recyclables, because most of this garbage is rigid plastic, and rigid plastic is recyclable. Wrappings, shipping plastic, that's all it's garbage. That looks like paper. Here, that's garbage. That's garbage. See? Down. Okay, we're going recyclables. Clear bag for plastic, rigid plastic only. Here we go. Oh, and metal. Plastic and metals. Plastic and metals. That's garbage. Let's go. There's rigid. Yes, this is recyclable. Believe it or not. Believe it or not. Rigid plastic. There you go. Quick question for you. Have you ever done a beach cleanup? If you have, let me know in the comments. That's plastic. Oh yeah, probably a car part. Rigid. How you doing? Bottle cap. How you doing? Coffee lids. Ugh. Come on. Stop messing around. You know, running and biking outdoors has made me appreciate places like this a lot more. Look at this guy. Big old. Now, who leaves stuff like this by the water? Now, some of this stuff could have been blown into the water. Some of this stuff fell off a boat. Maybe someone was picnicking and the wind took some of this stuff. Maybe people who were driving on the highway, windows open, with the windows open, you know, wind catches things and they go flying out the window. But I have a very good feeling.
It's such a good feeling.
Very strong feeling that a lot of this stuff is left on purpose. Look at this, alcoholics. Little beverage, little grandpa's old medicine. Instead of a Bacardi bottle. Come on. Okay. There we go. Garbage. That's not recyclable. Oh, that's not recyclable. Sorry. I'll be back for you later. Oh, is that a knife handle? Tisk, tisk. Oh, look at this. More. Someone likes Modelo. It is so windy today. Why do I always pick the best days to film? Best days to go running. Best days to clean up beaches. Oh. Corona. Oop. Save the turtles. Wow. We hit the jackpot. Look at all this trash. Jeez. I don't even know where to begin. Just go. So good. Imagine having 50 people here. We'd clear this out in like an hour. Seriously. Oh, hey. Anybody thirsty? How you doing? Modelo. Saturday afternoon. He's down. Clean up after yourselves. Is that metal? What's this? It's plastic. No, horseshoe crab. What came from nature, you put back to nature. Curious to see how many bags we could gather. I mean, this isn't a very big field. This has been here for quite some time. Look at that. I'll tell you what, we might not be making a dent, but we are scratching the surface. That's for sure. All right, we're going back at it with the trash. We're putting down recyclables for a moment. I'm going back to trash. Oh, all right, that's not gonna work. Come hither. This thing's probably been here forever. Look, it's even got a barnacle on it. Jeez. This bag is getting heavy. What is that? Look at the coconut. Wilson! Wilson! Oh, Wilson! All right. Just messing around. Keep going, keep going. Oh, this. Look at this guy. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Barnacles. Could have been afloat for a while. Doggy lost his ball. His owner lost his bag.
When you spend time outside, you start noticing things most people walk right past.
No way. No way. Wilson! Oh, Wilson! Bye-bye, Wilson. Hey, who wants to join me? Question. Which one of you fine folks would like to join me on a beach cleanup? I bet there's a few of you who wouldn't mind coming out on a Saturday or Sunday. Especially now that the weather's getting warmer. I'm sure one of you is gonna wanna come meet up with me. That'd be great. Get to meet each other. Maybe an old friend of mine who's watching this would want to come with me. Let me know in the comments. All right. So I think we scratched the surface. Maybe not necessarily made a dent, but I think we did a pretty good job. Not bad. Look, 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 look. Look. Look at this. Not too shabby, huh? Look at all this. All right, it's not perfect, all right? Don't look at the little... There'll be another time. There'll be another time. But look. Huh? Oh, look at that. Don't look at that. Don't look at that either. Don't. But, I mean, come on. I mean, look. Look. Don't look at that piece of plastic either, but... Again. 4 bags. Let's call it a total of 3, because the 2 are like halves. Maybe the 1 is a quarter. But, I mean, this was just infested, covered with garbage. Still has garbage. But, I mean, such a difference. And look how close it is to the road. To the path I was saying earlier. Look how close. We walk right by this. We pass this all the time. And it's just a hop, skip, and a jump away from the water. Love it. Love it. I think we did a good job today. I'm happy. I'm proud of myself. Not that I need to toot my own horn or pat myself on the back, but I mean, look. What a difference. Maybe next time when we come, we'll come this far and say this is, I mean, it just keeps going. Right? It wraps around. And I'm sure there's trash all along the shoreline. All right, real talk. Have a seat, sit down for a second. I just spent approximately 2 hours here. Not that I regret it, not that I hate doing it. I love doing this. It's important. It's important for us, for the environment, for the fish, for the creatures that rely on such areas. And I just want to say, guys, all you got to do is just throw out your trash. Recycle what's recyclable. Go out. once a month. Spend 1 hour. Trust me, 1 hour is all you need. I've been there maybe 2 hours, maybe 2.5. I've lost track. But this is 2 hours worth of garbage. These are a little bit lighter, but these 2.5, maybe 3. I've been out here maybe 3. Do something about it. Be responsible. Go out. Go out and make the world a better place. It's important. It really is. And you know what? For those with kids, teach your children as well. Grab your kids. Pull those smart devices out of their hands. Take them out for an hour. Get the right equipment, gloves. Make sure they're wearing, they're not walking around with flip-flops. Go to the nearest body of water and just spend half an hour. Half an hour. If you have 2 kids, that equals an hour, right? So make a difference. Make a difference. It's important. All right. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you all. You guys, love you. Get out there. Go do something. Let's wrap things up and bring the trash and recyclables out.
Well, mission accomplished. If you enjoy outdoor adventures like this, and if you want to follow my marathon training journey, consider subscribing. In my last video, I actually joined a running group for the first time, and that was an experience I didn't expect. Thanks for coming along today. I'll see you in the next one.